Ted's Woodworking Plans Review. So how long would it take you to check out 15,000 woodworking project plans, let alone build them all? Have you ever considered how heavy a book of 15,000 woodworking plans would actually be? Now, of all the downloadable digital products available online for woodworking projects, Ted's Woodworking Plans is the #1 bestseller by far. With thousands of copies sold, it has remained top of the charts for years now, not least because of the amount of content it contains. And that is a lot. I have yet to see another woodworking course that includes over